What's up, y'all? It's Great Dominate. Freaking walking home in this freaking snowstorm. Wait, there's a car. Don't let him see me. Alright, he turned. Oh, look at this crap. Look at this. I got snow all over me. What's up, y'all? Freaking snow all over me and crap. Walking in all this. It's like a half an hour walk, too. But we gonna do it. I'm not on like the busy streets or nothing. It's like the side streets. Freaking, what street is this? Freaking that Wabash. There's a bunch of people in front of me. There's a car coming. Wait, I need to cross here. Shoot. How the heck am I supposed to walk over this? Wait. Wait for the car to pass. Alright. Bro, I need to freaking climb a mountain right now. Look at this, I'm stuck. We did it, let's go. Got freaking snow on my shoe now. Great. Shoot. Bro, there's a bunch of freaking snow on my phone now. Freaking camera. Great, now my freaking legs are wet. There's freaking snow in my shoes. Oh, why's it gotta snow this much? Look at all this. Nobody even shovels either. Look at all this. Screw your house. How about you shovel? There's another freaking guy walking over here. This guy looks super cold. He doesn't even have a hoodie on. Let's walk right past him. I'm not doing nothing. Shoot. At least shovel your freaking house. Alright, well, this truck is buried. Look at that. You ain't going no place tonight. Look at this. I'm about to cut it right here. I'm about to walk for a little bit. I'll come back in a minute. Bye-bye. Guys, I'm walking here. Look at this. This looks like it's been shoveled a little bit. I'll keep walking. What is this? Look at this. What is this? Shovel your house. Look, there's a freaking mountain right here. Freaking, I'm better off walking on the road. Alright, wait, there's a car. Whoa! Okay. Bro, I'm slipping. Okay. Alright, wait. The road's too slippery. We going back on the sidewalk. Bro, look at all this freaking snow here. Why did we not have a freaking snow day at school? How the heck are we, how's people that walk to school, how are they supposed to walk here with all this? And how's people gonna drive on the slippery road? I was walking on the road for like 1 second and I slipped. Be trying it again. Hopefully I don't slip. Bro, I cannot even see my camera because there's so much freaking water on it now. Because all the snow. At least this part looks like it's been shoveled a little bit. That's super big. Oh, look at these freaking hills here. So much more to go too. Not even close to my freaking house. Got all the, look at this. Look at all the snow right here. Look how high it goes. What happens if I put my shoe in it? Bro, I cannot even see my camera. I need like... Alright, look at this. What happens? Look at that. Half of my whole leg is in there. Half of my whole leg went in there. Jeez. Imagine if I walk on top of this. Bro, my whole leg will get buried in there. Bro, oh my god, look at all this. Look at all this. This is crazy. I need to walk in this. How deep would I go if I walk in it? Yeah, pretty much like half my leg goes in it. Look at this. Oh crap. Look at this. Look at that. And then right here, imagine. Alright, the bottom of this is frozen. The bottom of that is frozen. Good thing. Didn't get buried. There's a car coming, don't hit me. Yeah, go away, car. At least these guys shoveled, look at this. They shoveled, the freaking yard is buried. Yeah, I need to turn right here. I need to walk over this now. Let's do it. Oh! Shoot. Look both ways, kids, make sure to look both ways before you walk. Never know, there'll be a drunk driver out there. Alright, I'm about to be back in a minute. I'm gonna just walk for a little bit. I'll be back recording once I get over there. Bye bye. Look how freaking snowy it is out here. Look at all this. These freaking yards. Ruined. Look at all this. Not even on the busy street yet. A couple more blocks, like way over there. Try to zoom in. Way over there, like 2 blocks left. I'm walking with a bunch of cars and crap. Probably gonna be puddles on the road and stuff. I need to turn right here. I'll be back. Guys, I found a tree. I'm safe. I'm safe. Guys, I need an idea for a thumbnail right now, so if I have to walk back out there, I need to get a thumbnail ready. Let's do this. Let's turn the camera. Oh crap. Okay. I want to get like a bunch of snow and stuff. I want to find like a good right here. I'll be like right here. Let's make like a surprise type face, like. Okay, guys. This tree right here, crown. I need to turn left here. After I turn left, I need to go for a while. Bro, I need to go way over there. Like, there's no more turns after this. Right here, I'll just go straight forever now. Oh, crap. And the next block is the busy street. Freaking next block is the busy street. We going all the way out there. Bro, I need to pass the busy street. Probably once I get to the busy street, I'll stop recording. Because, you know, I'm going to stand there for like 30 minutes waiting for no cars to be there. So, yeah. It's like the next block right here. Oh, look at all this. I'm not even sure if I got my thumbnail because it's freaking automatically stopped. Let's try it again. Oh, crap. Yo, a freaking car behind me. Bro, there's a car behind me. As soon as I turn around, there's a freaking car doing drifts. Bro, I should have got that on camera. I know I didn't get that on camera. Oh, shoot. Bro, he's still there. He's still there sliding. This freaking snowstorm's crazy. Gotta walk away before he asks me for help. I don't need no help. I don't want to help him. Let's hurry up and run before he calls me. Bro, this freaking car just slid. He thinks he's in Tokyo Drift right now. Hey. Once I get like right. Hey, look, they shoveled. It's just snowing so much that it looks like it didn't. Alright. I'm about to turn around right now. Try to get this thumbnail. Unless I already got it earlier. But just in case. Just in case. Wait, I need to turn it. Alright. Alright. Let's see that. That might have worked. We'll see. I don't even know if I got my hand in the freaking camera. I was trying to like point up at the sky at the snow. If it didn't work, we'll try something else. If none of these thumbnails work, I will go out. Like once I'm at my house, I will go to my front yard, turn around just to get a thumbnail ready. Ah, crap. Freaking snow got in my eye, bro. It got in my eye. But look at all this freaking snow on me. And then I like dusted some off, so it's not that much no more. Alright guys, well the busy street's out of the way. Look at all that. Got past the busy street, took about 30 seconds for them. Hey yo, I found yellow snow. Make sure you never eat the yellow snow, kids. Oh, it took about like a minute for the cars to stop coming. It's like a freaking cross. Oh, I still have so far to go. I have all the way out there. Alright, just in case I didn't get a thumbnail ready, let's try to get one right now. Oh my god, my freaking phone's at 15%. I need to hurry up. Alright, let's try to get this. Turn around. Alright, wait. Flip it. Maybe that'll work. We'll see. Maybe. Okay. I'll be right back for a minute because now I need to record less since I'm at 15%. That's like nothing. So I'll be right back, guys, in a little bit. See you. Guys, this is the second busy street right here. This one isn't as busy. Oh, 2 more blocks and I'm at my house. 2. Oh, look at this. It's been a while. About to be home already. 2 more blocks. And guys, guess what? My phone's at 6%. I better hurry up. I need to go like way over here. Let me zoom in. Like, all the way up there. And I'm only at 6%. And I'm using my camera on my phone. It's probably not even 6% anymore. It's probably like 4. It doesn't even tell me when I'm recording. Hey yo, the street ain't busy. Hurry. Yo, there's no cars right here. What the heck? This is one of the busy streets. Okay. No cars. Okay, I'm not complaining. Alright guys, I'm about to end it right here. Because I need to start recording less because, yeah, my phone's about to die. I'll record when I'm like over there. Yeah. Yo, we here. I see my house. I see my house. Let's go. Wait. Alright, this is the last block, this last street. I live right across the street. This last truck right here. Yeah, let's go. Hurry. Oh crap, I just got snow in my freaking shoe. It's freezing. Alright, we home. I'm not gonna show you exactly what the house looks like because I ain't having no creeper coming to my house. Finally, it took half an hour. Guys, look at this crap. Look at my backyard. I have icicles. Look, this is our bench. We have a freaking picnic bench. Look at this. Oh, my dad's home. Oh, my dad's in the shower right now. I was going. My dad's in the shower. Let's be quiet. Hey. Hey, Danger. It's my dog, Danger. Let's get to my room. Well, guys, we made it. I'm out. What the heck do I look like? I can't even see what I look like, but you guys could. Alright, all this snow, like, melted off me. I still feel snow right here and stuff. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed me getting freezing walking home from school. Oh, I need my bag off right now. Bro, make sure you guys subscribe for more videos and vlogs like this. Make sure you guys subscribe for more videos like this. Like more vlogs and everything. Bro, I need all this off right now. Place my phone down. Make sure you like the video because I did not walk in all that snow for nothing. I'm Great Dominate and I'm out. Peace.